Hi kids, how are you? Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn ABC and 1, 2, 3. Let's learn some colors. These are all our color pencils. Let's learn the names: orange color, violet color, blue color, black color, yellow color, sky blue color, pink color, light pink color, green color, green color. Let's draw ABC and 1, 2, 3. Let's draw a thick line of ABC. A B C 1 2 3 Let's coloring A, B, C and 1, 2, 3. Yellow color for A. A for apple, APPLE, apple. Green color B for ball, BALL, ball. BALL, ball. Pink color C for cat, CAT, cat. Sky blue color for one, ONE, one. Pink color 2, TWO, 2. Orange color 3, THREE, 3. Once again learning ABC and 1, 2, 3. A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. Okay, bye kids.